So today we're looking at this lovely Beneteau Antares 30 Flybridge. This is a 2013 model with only 500 hours on it. It's got inboard diesel single shaft engine. It's a Volvo, and we've also got radar. It's got a large chart plotter. It's got this lovely dinghy and davits on the back, teak cockpit. It's got bow cushions for sunbathing on the front, and it's got big large owner's cabin in the front and a double cabin with bunks on the port side and a large heads. This boat's just gone on the market. It's 2022 September, just for the boat show, and it's going to be on at 135,000. So on the back here you can see we've got shore power. We've got cross-docking cleats that drop down so they're flush, so you don't catch your toes on them. We've got this brand new air deck inflatable tender from Cruise Saver with the Weaver davits, the clip on the back here so the boat can lower into the water. So there's a large bathing platform back here with teak. Coming through here we've got this off cockpit enclosure. Over this teak laid cockpit we have a nice little table here for the seating area. There's stairs there up into the Flybridge, and the key thing of these stairs here are open, so you've got good visibility from the back of the boat through to the helm position, so you can see when you're reversing. But on top of that we've also got a reversing camera as well. Large walk around side decks, access port and starboard through here, and large high guardrails as well. Coming into the interior, we've got lovely seating, brand new carpet laid through, and it's also got soundproofing underneath. And here we've got this galley area with a cooker. So there's an oven and gas hob, and a stainless steel sink with hot and cold water. Lots of power points around the boat for kettles and things like that. This is a purpose-made table, which is smaller, giving a bit more room, but there is the original table here as well, which fits into a more rectangular shape. Here we've got the helm seat, which is a big, large bolster helm seat. We've got hydraulic steering, fly-by-wire controls from Volvo. We've got Webasto heating. There's 500 hours on the engine. You've got a stern thruster and bow thruster, and that's operational from the Flybridge as well. And you've got this large 12-inch Axiom Raymarine chart plotter. Icom 423G, that's a GPS-fed VHF, stereo with speakers. You've also got an inverter. And there are your trim tabs. There's a nice little co-pilot seat up here. And then coming down below, we've got this amazing owner's cabin here with a large double. We've got a TV, power points, hull windows, port and starboard, which are opening. And you've also got a hatch through to the foredeck as well, which lets lots of nice light in. At the moment, it's got the sunbathing cushions over it. And in here, we've got hanging lockers. You've got individual reading lights. And then coming out to port here, we've got this nice size heads with a shower, mixer tap from here, electric toilet. There's a vanity cabinet there. And then here to port, we've got these two double bunks. It's the lower one, and there's the upper one, again with opening porthole, and you've got a skylight here which opens up into the main saloon, letting more light in. Got a fridge underneath the helm seat here. Coming out, we've got outside speakers and lighting for the cockpit area, and this is a really large Flybridge roof which gives you good coverage even without the canopy over the back of the boat. There's your emergency steering access. So coming up the stairs, Here we have a sun lounger area with a table. The seat folds forwards here to create a U-shaped seating area. Here you can see we've got the radar, VHF and antenna for the stereo. And under here we have repeated helm controls for the Flybridge. So there's your bow stern thruster, trim tabs. You've also got stereo, horn to alert people where you are, and your Volvo readouts. And then you've got a multimeter display there. And on the bow there you can see you've got electric anchor windlass. You've got washers on for the windscreen, wipers, and a cover going over the bow sun pad. Any more questions? Have a look at our website, www.atlantic-yachts.co.uk. Over here we've got access to the Volvo engine, single shaft, and the whole floor comes up underneath my feet. This is just an inspection hatch that we've lifted open. You can easily get around both sides of the engine with the floor arc coming up. The side deck, we've got your diesel filler here and your wastewater pump out. Midship cleats here, and here's the sun pad on the bow, which is lovely with these raised backrest areas, headrest areas, and then under here there's the access to the forward cabin, and in here we've got electric anchor windlass, or run off remote. It runs from here or at the helm station as well.